Hi guys, this is Ravia and you're listening to the Brown Rants. Thank you for tuning in. I actually am recording this podcast as we speak on a Friday night at 3 a.m. I just got free from work and I have to get this episode up by tomorrow. I had countless, countless opportunities to record that episode, but I am feeling very down. I don't know what it is. Like whenever summer hits, I just feel so down. But I don't remember maybe feeling that last year because there was just a lot going on. Also, I was doing an on-site job, so I just have different problems, different sort of miseries. And now I am back to my real life. Like work is not something that I'm that much emotionally attached to now, and it doesn't emotionally affects me that way. Then I am miserable over other things, and it's just a very rough time for me. I don't know, I would like to know what's the weather where you feel off. And for me, I don't even like intentionally do that, but since the past like 3 4 years, summer is the time where I just lose it. Like I lose it mentally. Like my mental health is at its worst in summers. और जो है then the monsoon hits and I feel better. So I think I definitely need a summer getaway, but not possible right now. और जो है मतलब I don't know, like okay, so here's the thing. मुझे लगता है कि obviously it got so hot. Like पिछले हफ्ते it was bearable. Like I recorded my last episode and it was bearable, and then it got so unbearably hot that you cannot survive without an AC. Like the fan is not doing for you anymore. Or I don't really enjoy AC, if I'm being honest. It feels like I'm being trapped. Like, and also it's not like in Pakistan, obviously you have different ACs in different rooms. So if you have the AC on in one room, you have to close the door, close the window, close everything. So you're kind of like in one room, and mostly it's bedroom, so it just feels very restricted that I cannot work. I have to stay there, and it just makes you feel lazy. It just makes me feel so bad. I'm still not using AC while working, and I just hate sharing that issue with people that I hate that ke oh, it's so hot because when I'm working, I am in my room and I really enjoy working in my room and I don't want to shift. This was I don't like, I didn't get an AC for my room. And they're like, oh Ravia, are you being for real? Get it? How you're surviving? Like it's just like I just get so pissed at people. Just AC is like this easily available thing, and you cannot do something else in that price. Like I hate people who do not understand and just jump into conclusions. Ke, oh, why don't you do that? Like if I complain about gas not being here, gas की load shedding होती है, तो they're like, oh, get a cylinder. मतलब the options you're giving me, one have to spend money for that, right? It's not something, I think, so I get pissed at people, so I don't share that problem. But I know my podcast have lovely people, so they would understand my problem. Also, so I procrastinated like 2 weeks for recording this podcast. एक तो ये है कि I was like, oh, should I do it? Should I not? But then I got such a good response for my last episode. I think a lot of people just connected to it. Even the title, they were like, oh my god, slay title. And then a lot of people DM'd me, and it just feels nice to know that there are actual people who are listening to it and not maybe someone who got it recommended on YouTube and they just opened it and closed it because it just sounded boring to them. So I think it's nice to have people, like, even if I don't really check views, that how many views or listens I got per video, because it's always less. I don't expect it to blow out or anything. But whenever someone like comes in and tells me that, oh, I listened to it and it was so good, it just gives me a little bit of boost. Even though obviously I listen to a lot of podcasts while working, so I know it's hard to comment on things. So if you do not DM me, it's okay. I'll still like I still am making this episode is for you as well, but it was nice to know that people are actually listening to it and it matters to them and they wait for it. So that really motivated me in making another to be more weekly, be more consistent. And then I think that I really enjoyed uploading the podcast on weekend. I personally really enjoyed. I don't know about if people love listening to it on the weekday or weekend. For me personally, I mostly listen to podcast on weekdays when I'm working. Weekends में मैं इतनी नहीं सुनती, लेकिन I think I enjoy uploading them on weekends more because I'm in a good mood. I जैसे आज Friday night है तो I know I can record, and क्योंकि I have my weekend, so there's just a good positive energy in me. तो मुझे लगता है कि I just decided myself कि I'm gonna upload it on Saturday. I cannot. Okay, one thing that I hate about this night shift is that my Friday nights are taken away from me. और मुझे लगता है कि I hate working. I think even in winters I hate working in night. Like, I do not like going out winter nights में. Like, in summer nights, it's so nice and pleasant outside. Like, it's not even bad outside. It's just more pathetic being in a room. I went for a walk. I went to the pharmacy yesterday. It was so nice. बहुत अच्छा था, and I would have loved to just walk or run in the park, but I could not क्योंकि I have to work. तो मुझे लगता है कि that thing, not like having a restriction at night and not really enjoying the time, is also something that kind of pisses me off, but it is what it is. Eid is coming next week, so Eid Mubarak in advance. But I am working on Eid as well. That is crazy. They actually gave me an option कि अगर आपने छुट्टी करनी है तो you can take a day off. But I was being a psycho, so I said कि no, I'm gonna work तीनों दिन. Also क्योंकि I would love to take छुट्टियाँ आगे. I was like कि okay, ईद पे वैसे ही जो है everyone's gonna be a little bit slow, so there would be much more so I'm gonna save up that holiday and like utilize it any other day, any other time. I also have a friend's wedding coming up, so probably I have to take an off uspe. And you'll be like, Rabia, what are you only attending weddings? Yeah, up to I have summer. Like, it's not even been a month maybe that I was done with like that April wave of weddings, and then now I have a June wedding. Fun. But yeah, I think all of that is going on. So I'm just glad and grateful. और फिर उसके बाद I posted after so long last week whenever I upload. Okay, so here's also the thing. I feel so creative whenever I upload the episode. और उसके अलावा जब मैं बोल रही होती ना, like right now I'm recording it, I'm like, okay, I'm just recording a bunch of crap. I don't know what I'm saying. But when I edit it, I actually really enjoy it. I'm like, oh wow, I enjoy the process of listening to myself, which was very hard to get on because I would cringe at my voice in the start. So I think we're at a good place now. Whenever I upload, whenever I upload my podcast, I don't care how many people are listening to it. I just feel so good because I feel like, oh, I thought about this topic. I wrote points about it. I like talked about it. I edited it. I put it at a public platform. People are listening to it. I just feel so good about it. Like, yes, I'm doing my 9 to 5 job and I'm not getting any monetary outcome out of it, but there's an impact that I might be making on a few people, or I might be providing any entertainment or something to listen to. Like, I might be accompanying someone while they're doing their chores or their work or their study or their assignment, and I am glad to accompany you for that. Okay, our topic today is actually a part 2, a sequel, or like a similar topic, but another side of the coin, if you say, of a similar situation, which is hangouts. And last episode I talked about skipping hangouts or friends being pissed about it, and just like dealing with all of that. And in this episode we're gonna talk about having to ask to go for a hangout and not like from your parents, and being told no, and then thinking, why? I am old enough, like why cannot I go? And you guys, like, So I was kind of like thinking मुझे बनानी चाहिए नहीं बनानी चाहिए. I'm just gonna start off by saying I genuinely love my parents, and everyone around me knows that. They think that I'm probably too attached to my family, but obviously like they have been the nicest people ever. What is that? But obviously they have done so much for me, and I enjoy being with them so much. I think it's just so like I mean it's so nice to be around them as if I'm not living with them since the past years. I think that obviously I do really enjoy my parents, but parents are parents, and I don't understand what why. I think that it's been like, when did I start this podcast? 2023. It's 2026 now, and every year I literally मैं हर like साल इस podcast में बोलती हूँ I would love to go on a trip to North, not even international, but we'll go on that as well. तो I would love to go on that, and मतलब I am adult, I can fund myself a trip, but I don't, मतलब कि मुझे हमेशा होता है कि not that my friends have ever made a plan, but कभी हुआ भी है तो I have probably mostly just said कि no, मतलब मुझे पता है कि I would not be given permission to go, and I'm old enough now, like I am old enough. Like I see people on YouTube who are like 18, 19, so younger than me, who are going and traveling abroad, like just taking flights, going and doing things, and I'm like I still cannot. So I think it just like kind of is ke I don't know what happens, and it's a part of being a daughter. I don't think men can relate to it that much. It's much more easier for them, honestly. But being a daughter, it's like a whole experience that, especially in a brown desi family, ke you have to like, you cannot go everywhere, और कभी कभी you have to beg them कि please जाने दें, please, या फिर मैं क्यों नहीं जा सकती, and they're like okay मर्जी है. And then obviously क्योंकि you have such a good relationship with your parents, if they're like अपनी अम्मा से पूछ लो, अपने अब्बा से पूछ लो, मर्जी है, जाना है, तुमको जो करना है कर लो, you're like that's not the permission I wanted, क्योंकि अब मैं इसके बाद चली जाऊंगी अगर ढीठ बन के, I'll feel bad and I'll be like कि मतलब क्या यार. तो that's just not a good permission. And I was seeing this video on Instagram, and उसमें वो लड़की कह रही थी कि हर मतलब कि मैंने कहीं भी जाना था तो my parents are like तुम्हारा जो दिल है कर लो, तुम्हें अगर सही लगता है कर लो. कहती मुझे जो दिल है वो उसी को तो करने के लिए मैं आपके लिए आपसे परमिशन मांग रही हूँ. This type of permission is like कि okay you don't want me to go, और मतलब I would not feel good if I go out like that. So I don't understand that. Like right now, I have been feeling very down, like very down, that the idea of going out, क्योंकि I think that I'm not going out that much. That is probably one of the reasons that I feel like that. कि मुझे लगता है कि oh, going out would make me feel so good. But as I said, I have a friend's wedding coming up. So I'm literally saving that for that. कि अभी अगर मैंने फिर टूर लिया, अभी मैंने ज़्यादा अगर इन्जॉय कर लिया तो बाद में मेरी उस फ्रेंड की वेडिंग अटेंड करने में मसला ना हो जाए. एंड आई कैन नॉट बी द ओनली पर्सन हु थिंक लाइक दैट. आई थिंक कि सारे ही सोचते हैं. मैं लिटरली इतनी स्ट्रेटेजिकली प्लान करती हूँ. लाइक मेरे my friends, my school friend circle, I haven't been to their hangout, मतलब कि पिछले 3 hangout. Then और मैंने पिछले एपिसोड में बता चुकी हूँ राइट. और मतलब कि क्योंकि मुझे, और वही बात है कि इट कम्स इन द प्लेस के मैं अपने दोस्तों को कहती हूँ कि ओ सॉरी यार मैं नहीं आ सकती. समटाइम आई एक्चुअली डू नॉट वांट टू. समटाइम्स लाइक ओ आई नीड टू बी मोर स्ट्रेटेजिक. लाइक मुझे ये प्लान करना पड़ेगा. अगर अप्रैल के पूरे महीने मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड्स की शादियाँ अटेंड करनी है तो मुझे किसी और से नहीं मिलना. मतलब आई हैव टू प्लान इट स्ट्रेटेजिकली. और मतलब मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि मेरे 2 दोस्तों की ऐसी थी कि उनकी आउट ऑफ सिटी शादी थी, एंड आई वुड नॉट एबल टू अटेंड दैट. मतलब आई डोंट नो, लाइक सब कुछ सही जा रहा होता है लेकिन एंड पे आके क्या हो जाता है कि माई पेरेंट्स आर लाइक ज़रूरत नहीं है तुम्हारे जाने की वैसे. एंड इट जस्ट मेक्स मी सो मैड कि what do you mean, like you were fine the whole time, अब क्या हो गया है. मतलब I don't understand. So like I would, अब ये weekend आ रहा है, I would love to go and meet a friend, लेकिन I'm like okay मेरी ईद के बाद ईद आनी है, probably शायद कोई ईद पे spontaneous plan. Speaking of spontaneous plan, I cannot make a spontaneous plan. Like लड़कों के लिए कितना easy है ना कि वो बस प्लान बना लेते हैं, ओ यार अच्छा चलो मिलते हैं, मतलब ठीक है मैं आ रहा हूँ. यहाँ नहीं ऐसा. Tell me a week prior, then I'll process this whole thing. फिर मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को 2 दिन बाद पूरा एप्लीकेशन तैयार करके बताऊंगी, फिर उसके बाद मैं जाऊंगी. लाइक इट्स लाइक अ होल प्रोसेस एंड आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई आई एम ओल्ड इनफ नाउ. मेरी पिछले हफ्ते मेरी दोस्त ने कहा कि ओ रविया लेट्स मीट अप, एंड इट वाज वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस. एंड आई वाज लाइक मैं तो जाती ही नहीं घर से बाहर, मतलब मैं कैसे मिलूँ इससे, ये वो, और ये मतलब कि स्पॉन्टेनियस हम कैसे करें. और फिर आई जस्ट आस्क्ड हर टू कम टू द मॉल दैट इज लाइक राइट इन फ्रंट वेयर आई लिव. एंड देन आई आस्क्ड माई पेरेंट्स दैट मैं मॉल चल रही हूँ, मेरी वहाँ पे दोस्त ने आना है. तो दे वर लाइक क्यों? मतलब व्हाट डू यू मीन, मेरे घर के बिल्कुल सामने मॉल है, लेट मी गो, व्हाई आर यू आस्किंग क्यों? तो खैर it was just like I don't understand. I would love to know के what the parents think. I think obviously I don't know. I do have a obviously younger sister. तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि are coming in me with my parents. और जैसे my sister uses her phone a lot और she's with her friends, तो I'm like कि तुम हर वक्त फ़ोन पे होती हो, लाइक बी प्रेजेंट, ये वो. एंड आई एम लाइक ओह मेरे अंदर उनकी रूह आ रही है. इफ नाउ पिछले 1 हफ्ते से जब से स्पेशली मैं अपने रिमोट जॉब कर रही हूँ, अब मेरे सर पे सवार है कि आई वांट टू गो इन एन इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप. लाइक मुझे नहीं पता, और मैं अपनी अम्मा से बहुत डिस्कस करती हूँ. देयर शी इज़ लाइक कि किसी के साथ जाना, मैं किसको लेके जाऊँ. लाइक आई कैन ओनली फंड माई सेल्फ, आई कैन नॉट फंड एन अदर पर्सन. ओ जब तुम्हारी शादी होगी तब चले जाना. आई डोंट नो कि तब क्या हालात होंगे. लाइक आई कैन नॉट वेट फॉर दैट, जस्ट लेट मी गो. सो आई डोंट नो कि क्या ऐसी चीज़ है. ऑब्वियसली आई अंडरस्टैंड कि इट्स अनसेफ और आजकल के ज़माने में ये, लेकिन देयर इज़ अ टाइम व्हेन द लाइक when your kid is old enough to experience all of that, so let them. खैर मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स लाइक बंदा स्पॉन्टेनियस प्लान नहीं बना सकता विद लाइक इट्स. आई थिंक कि आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट इन I don't want this to be a girls versus boy thing. लेकिन I think boy have it so much easy. My brother is not here. Like he's not in this country. वो जब भी बाहर जावा था कि उसको literally my parents used to tell him कि यार प्लीज तुम बाहर जाओ, मतलब कि गो हैंग आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंजॉय योर लाइफ. और अभी भी ही इज देयर. आई लिटरली टेल, मैं उसको कहती हूँ कि ब्रो गो एंजॉय योर लाइफ, लाइक गो लिव आउट देयर. मुझे नो वन सेज दैट टू मी कि रबिया जस्ट गो एंड एंजॉय योर लाइफ, जस्ट गो आउट, एक्सपीरियंस थिंग, अटेंड, गो वॉच दैट मूवी, गो अटेंड दैट सेमिनार, गो सोशलाइज विद दीज पीपल. मतलब व्हाई नो वन टेल्स मी दैट? लाइक सो देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ, ऑब्वियसली आई अंडरस्टैंड कि पाकिस्तान में सेफ, मतलब आई completely understand that part कि Pakistan is unsafe for women और parents are scared. लेकिन कुछ चीज़ों में my parents have not been scared क्योंकि they made sure that I am independent at the age of like 14, that I do not rely on anyone, especially in conveyance, क्योंकि that was something that has been a problem for me बचपन से कि I don't want my father to drop me off, then pick me up and then wait for me all the time, या कुछ भी है. My brother is doing his whole thing. तो they literally made sure that I'm independent at the age of 14. और तब मुझे ऐसे एरिया से भी गुजरना पड़ता था that had a lot of men, like there were less women. लेकिन they gave me that confidence कि नहीं, you can commute to the academy, to the college, to the university by yourself. और उस टाइम पे कोई लड़की खुद से कम्यूट नहीं करती थी, सिर्फ मैं करती थी. अभी भी मतलब अगर मैंने कहीं जाना है तो वो मुझे कहते हैं अकेले जाओगी. मैंने कल फार्मेसी जाना था एंड दे वर लाइक अकेले जाओगी, एंड आई वाज लाइक we're living in a very secure space right now. 13 साल की उम्र में you were like Ravia go out or you need to be able to commute. तो अब why are you saying that? मतलब तो I think there's a lot of, obviously I think they have provided me a lot of independence where it was needed. और अब I think कि I am so, मतलब इस हिसाब से I do not worry about these things and I can like do things and move on my own, which I am very grateful for that. But कभी कभी they get extra conscious and I'm like, you know I can do it, right? मतलब आपको पता है कि I can handle it, I can do it. Then obviously I understand कि पाकिस्तान is an unsafe place, लेकिन वो एनर्जी जब मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मिलना होता है तो वो एनर्जी मेरे लिए क्यों नहीं नज़र आती जो मेरे भाई के लिए नज़र आती है कि हाँ जाओ मिल के आओ अपने दोस्तों से. मेरे लिए होता है अच्छा तुमने अपने फ्रेंड्स से मिलना है. और ऊपर से मैं बदनाम हूँ कि रविया इज़ all the time just going out, hanging out, and doing this stuff. So yeah, it's kind of like I don't understand that, and I'm just laughing. Like sometimes it just makes me sad. I'm like, what? Like what? A girl can't do that. Obviously, with the exposure of social media, you see different people who are from different cultures, different countries, different situation, who are doing things at a very younger age that you are not able to do. Like when you get in the position, like I am at the position where I'm like, oh, I can do that. तो फिर अगर आपके लिए ये restriction होना, तो you're like, what do you mean? Like what do you mean I can't do that? You for your own reason, like you're not even explaining this to me. बस तुम्हारे जाना नहीं बनता. Like एक hangout miss कर दो. मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ मैं कितने hangout miss कर चुकी हूँ. और दूसरा ये है कि yes, when you are going out every single day, like जब आप university में हो, you're going out at university every single day, it's much easier to go on a hangout उस time पे. या फिर when you're at office, तो तब it's very easier कि आप ऑफिस के वापसी पे जो है वो अपने फ्रेंड से मिल लो, या फिर जो है लंच टाइम में अपने फ्रेंड से मिल लो. लाइक आप कुछ ऐसा कर लो, आप ज़रा 2 घंटे पहले फ्री होकर अपने फ्रेंड से मिल लो. नो बॉडी नीड टू नो अबाउट इट. लाइक जस्ट डू इट योर सेल्फ. एंड क्योंकि आई एम नाउ वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, तो ऑब्वियसली दैट थिंग जस्ट लाइक काइंड लाइक आपकी वो बाउंड्रीज फिर आ जाती हैं where तो you kind of miss the time when you were independent and you can make that decisions for yourself कि oh I'm gonna get an off आज, I'm gonna get an half day and I'm gonna go hang out with my friends, and my parents don't need to know about that sometimes. Okay, तो मुझे लगता है कि I do miss that thing क्योंकि जब आप like करते हो तो you are like independent and then you can do all of that. लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन at the same time sometimes it's also just I go for runs, so sometimes we just on our way back we sometimes chill and go somewhere else. So I always just feel like when I'm just at that thing I can make spontaneous plan उस time पे. लेकिन if I am at home and you're like oh let's meet, I'm like what, just come to my home then. तो मुझे लगता है कि it's just so hard and I cannot be the only person. लेकिन I just feel like I'm old enough to experience all of that. Like my 14-year-old would be so disappointed कि I'm in the same situation where I have to ask कि ओ मैं ये कर लूँ, मैं ये ना करूँ. Like मेरी दोस्त की शादी थी and उसके घर मेहंदी है, ढोलकी है, तो हम लोग बहुत लेट फ्री हो रहे थे, like 2 बजे 1 बजे. And I have never come that late to my home. Obviously, I understand that. But also, I'm at my friend's home. But I was, the whole time, I used to be so like, jaldi, jaldi, ghar chalo. And my friends were like, tumhe kya hai, bhen? And I was like, let's go home. It's past 2. So I think I do understand that. I do understand the fact that Pakistan is an unsafe country. Or phir, obviously, it's different to have your son out as compared to your daughter out. But at daytime, you need to show a little bit excitement if your daughter is going out as well and experiencing thing. Let them go out on trips. Like अब मैंने ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ सोची है. मतलब मैं कहती हूँ आप मेरे साथ चलने मेरे साथ, क्योंकि I would love for you to experience that as well. But they don't want to do that and they don't want me to experience that as well. So I would want the parents to be a bit more chill, relaxed, bit more understanding, be at a bit more ease, or at least share with your kids कि oh this is why I feel like you shouldn't go here, right? और आप फिर अपना उनको बताओ कि oh this is why I want to go, so you can just find a midway. जब आप, मुझे लगता है कि when you get older you get a bit rigid, and then when you're younger so you don't understand. Like I do understand a lot of things when I was younger, that my parents were like oh this is not the best thing to do, and but there's a lot of things that I do not understand. जैसे मैं जब 10th grade में थी तो there was all girls trip going to Murray and I didn't go. My parents didn't let me go. हालांकि सारी लड़कियां थी, teachers थी, secure. I still to this day don't understand why I didn't go to that. Like मैं मिन्नतें करी थी लेकिन I didn't go to that. So I think there should be much more understanding. Obviously मुझे लगता है कि बहुत कम लोग हैं who get that. Like yes, I'm close to my family. I love my parents so much. Like we have a good understanding. Like there's a really good relationship and connection between me and my parents. But तो अगर मैं किसी को बता रही हूँ कि ओ माय गॉड मतलब मैं इन चीज़ लाइक दिस इज समथिंग आई स्ट्रगल विद एंड मतलब कि एज अ गर्ल इन देसी सोसाइटी आई डोंट नो हाउ व्हाट टू डू टू कन्विंस देम, देयर लाइक ओ बी अ rebel. Like that's not an answer. Obviously your parents have given so much to you that these are not the things that you would rebel on. मतलब कि आप you would want them to understand, या आप उनको खुद समझाओगे, अपनी सिचुएशन करोगे, कुछ उनके हिसाब से करोगे, कुछ अपने हिसाब से करोगे. ऑब्वियसली उनकी भी कुछ चीज़ें ठीक आई डोंट नो, लेकिन अदर लाइक अगर आप किसी से रैंट करो और वो आगे ना ओ तो अपने मतलब कि उनको पूछे बगैर, मतलब मुझे बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि एक दिन उनको पूछे बगैर आओ, 2 दिन उनको पूछे बगैर आओ, तीसरी बार वो पूछेंगे ही नहीं. अपना खुद कर्फ्यू टाइम जरा एक्सटेंड करो. लाइक ऑब्वियसली वो आपको घर से नहीं निकालेंगे. येस ऑल ऑफ दिस इज नाइस, बट आई वुड जस्ट वांट देम टू अंडरस्टैंड एज वेल एंड लाइक मतलब विदाउट मी डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस, क्योंकि आई थिंक कि मेरे अंदर नेचुरली ऐसी चीज़ है कि आई डू नॉट इन्जॉय समथिंग. लाइक इफ़ आई एम गोइंग आउट जिद करके आई वुड नॉट इन्जॉय दैट, और मैं आई वॉन्ट देम टू फुल्ली बी ऑन बोर्ड. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ माई पर्सनैलिटी कि I need them to be happy as well because I love them so much and they have done so much for me, like obviously. So I think there should be a little bit more uh, I think especially to daughters, like if you have a daughter, if you're gonna be a mother, yeah, if you have your parents, obviously it's like just let them a little bit more loose kyunki they truly do not understand, or obviously they are at some age they are mature enough and you don't want them to lie to you, obviously, right? You don't want them to not tell you something क्योंकि उनको पता है कि आप उनको वो चीज़ कभी करने नहीं देंगे. So इससे बेहतर है कि you should have that sort of relationship with them कि ओके मतलब दिस इज़ वाई आई एम स्केयर्ड कि तुम यहाँ जाओगी, एक्सेप्ट फॉर जस्ट बीइंग कंट्रोलिंग कि नहीं तुम अभी मिली थी तो अब तुम फिर से नहीं मिल सकती, तुम एक हफ्ते में लाइक एक से ज़्यादा हैंग आउट नहीं रख सकती. ऑब्वियसली डू टेल देम दैट डू नॉट बी इजीली एक्सेसिबल टू दीज पीपल, या फिर यू नीड टू सी इफ योर फ्रेंड्स आर जेन्युइन और नॉट, और यू नीड टू हैव अ हेल्दी बैलेंस, लाइक यू लाइक not be that emotionally attached to your friends, or you have to like control your finances. You cannot spend इतने ज़्यादा पैसे इतने हैंग आउट में. लाइक टेल देम दीज थिंग्स के ओके वी डोंट नो दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ योर दैट वेल, और हमें नहीं पता कि उनके घर का कैसा इन्वायरमेंट है, सो वी डोंट फील गुड सेंडिंग यू फॉर अ स्लीप ओवर, राइट? ऐसे करके लाइक आप उनको ज़्यादा चीज़ें समझाए एक्सेप्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सेइंग नो, ताकि उनको भी समझ आए. पेरेंट्स डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ लाइक स्ट्रेटेजिक किड्स आर. लाइक मैं अभी से जो 2 हफ्ते बाद एक प्लान होना, मैं अभी से उसके लिए जो है वो इतना लाइक गैप दे रही हूँ ताकि उस टाइम कोई मसला ना हो. और फिर उसके बाद द फैक्ट के इतना सोच रहे हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि वो एक हफ्ते में हम सिर्फ एक प्लान रख सकते हैं, 1 महीने में हम सिर्फ 3 बार मिल सकते हैं. इतना गैप दे रहे हैं इस चीज़ में. मतलब just let them be sometimes and it's okay. और जो है वो yeah, मतलब it just makes me mad sometimes. But yeah, that's the episode. I don't know. I am recording. I am ending this. I think that I said a bunch of crap. Like I see in the morning, okay, what makes out of the edit. Take care of yourself and have a good weekend or have a good week. Pray for me. Let's pray the weather gets better, and also pray a lot on the 9th. Obviously, all these 10 days are the best 10 days ever. So do make a lot of duas for yourself, for me, for everyone, for the people who are close to you. And 9th Zilhaj ko especially, or फिर even 10th Zilhaj. Obviously it's a day of Eid, तो बहुत से लोग भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन even that day you cannot fast on that day, but even that day have a lot of significance. So yeah, I'll see you next week and with a new topic or hopefully a better mood. Yeah, see you soon.